Okay, hello there, Cappuccino. We are talking about inscribe. How do you inscribe? What does it mean for something to be inscribed? So here's our word, our vocabulary word for today, inscribe. So we can actually break this word apart. The in means in, and scribe means to write or draw. So the in part just means in or inside. And scribe, the word scribe means to write or to draw. It comes from Latin word. Okay, so in Spanish, escribe, see, escribe, scribe, all right, looks pretty similar. So, and in is inside. So if something is inscribed, or if you're asked to inscribe, you need to draw on the inside of something, just touching, but never crossing. So I have some examples for you. So if I want to have a triangle inscribed in a circle, that means that I'm going to have a circle and the triangle is going to have all of its vertices touching the circle. Okay, so I'm going to add that to my notes as well. So all three vertices, these are called vertices, of the triangle are touching the circle. Whoops, that's right, touching. Okay, so notice it's not outside, it's not too far inside. The vertices have to be touching the circle. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to in order to copy down the example nice and carefully. It's very important that the vertices are touching the circle. Okay, now here's another example. A circle inscribed in a square. So here the square is the outside shape and the circle is inscribed. The circle is drawn inside and you can see that it's just touching. It's just touching as many places as it can. Okay, so sometimes people think that any object inside another object is inscribed. So I want to give you some examples that don't work. So here's some non-examples down here, the bottom of the page. So this one, this triangle is not inscribed because one corner or vertice is not touching. So it started out pretty good, but then this corner is not touching the circle. So this is not inscribed. Okay, so very important. This is not inscribed. I was looking for another highlighter color. I can't find it, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, this is not inscribed. That is not inscribed, okay? And here, this circle is not inscribed because it's not touching the square. Okay, so in order to be inscribed, it has to be touching. So these are non-examples. I'm going to put a little line here so we can tell the difference. Okay, so these are good examples. These are bad examples. These are not inscribed. And these are examples of an object inscribed. All right, that's it. That's your notes.